Hola, Piparinas!
Hey, what's happening? It's been a while.
Yeah, I actually filmed a BoxyCharm unboxing earlier today. That's
Okay,
me.
well, it's been a
Let's
while.
make it.
It's
For
been
you,
a while
for
for
us,
us,
but-
like for both of us.
So, welcome to another episode of the Disney Memes. I'm Sherry.
And I'm Gooch.
And Josie is asleep.
She's knocked out.
And you burped and it smells.
Sorry.
So we have another
Dr.
episode.
Pepper.
So this episode of the Disney Beams is
It's an episode of Disney Beams. What's in the box?
What's in the box?
We have to give credit to Big Sis Lisa at It's Joey's World for
Yeah, well, I
that.
started it, but she knew exactly what it was
What's
from,
in
and
the
every
box?
time it's like, "What's in the box?"
What's in the box?
So this is this month's Mickey's Mystery Box.
Just a spoonful of sugar.
Just a spoonful of sugar. That is, I'll go into that in a second. However, last month we thought that we had emptied out the entire contents of the box. However,
I missed something.
yeah, we actually missed a couple of things, and actually Mickey's Mystery Box reached out to me because they saw the video and said there was something else in there. Did you look through the entire box? And
We
Sure.
did after we finished filming,
and
we realized it.
I let them know that. So yeah, after we finished filming, we found a couple other items in the box. So I want to show this. It's a Walt Disney World Transportation Collection card for the Nova, which is one of their one of the buses.
One of the buses.
It says the Nova. It's 2 of 27, and it says Minnie Mouse. What dog first appeared as Minnie Mouse's pet? And the answer? Do you know? Do you know?
Is it Pluto?
It is Pluto.
How about that?
But at the time, he appeared as Rover in the 1930 animated short film The Picnic.
So he went through a name change.
He went through a name change. But, the physical characteristics, the yellow with the long black ears was...
The Pluto mold.
Yes. And it actually has this thing that says, did you know Walt Disney World resort buses travel more than 21.5 million miles every year?
I believe it.
Walt Disney World resort buses travel enough miles each year to circle the Earth at the equator more than 11 times each week.
Yeah, I don't doubt it. There's a lot of buses and a lot of miles.
And the Nova is 8.5 feet wide, 40 foot long, and 9 foot
feet
high. So, yeah, I just thought that was pretty neat. But also, what was in last month's box was a pin.
Doctor Strange.
It's a Doctor Strange pen. Let's see if I can. There, that's
and
a
it
little
says
bit better.
Supreme.
Supreme. And it is price point blue.
Yep.
So that's what was in missing from.
I mean, and what was in the box was already awesome.
Yeah, it was way
it
above the
was like
value
way
that I
above the
paid
value
for
of
it.
the box. And those two other items were down in the box that we just didn't catch.
Yeah, you always have to make sure you put your hands all the way
Yeah,
through
and I thought I
that blue
did.
confetti.
Thought I did.
But it's all good. We got it.
Yep.
And thank you to Mickey's Mystery Box also
For reaching out. So
out
I
to
mean,
us.
yes, absolutely, because they could have just said, oh, well, whatever, and then, but they actually wanted to make sure it was right. I appreciate that.
That's right. So now it is time to play this month's What's in the Box? So as always, we've opened it. We just have not looked in
Well,
it.
we've broken the tape.
We've broken the tape. We have not looked in it. As I say every month, I like to give a disclaimer. We are not there. I have no affiliation.
We're not paid.
We're not paid in any way by Mickey's Mystery Box.
In fact, we pay for the box.
I purchase the box every single month. We are on their website. One of our videos is on their website, but we get it because we absolutely love it.
Yep.
And
the value has been fantastic every single time.
And like each month, it's like it brings a part of the park to us because obviously, unfortunately, we can't go to the park every month. But it kind of brings the parks to us.
I mean, we could if
we had an unlimited supply of money.
Supply of money, and you know, or if we had an unlimited DVC points, and the parks were to provide unlimited, you know, dining plan.
But back to reality.
Out there.
Back to reality. We we don't live in Florida, so we can't go as often as we like. However,
we go when we can.
But this is a way for us to get a little park magic once a month.
A little bit of pixie dust, as Joe would say.
Yeah. So let's unbox the magic.
What's in the box?
What's in the box? Oh, I see something wrapped.
Something's wrapped already.
Let's see if I can.
Hold on, we gotta. As is tradition, we gotta.
As is tradition.
We gotta do the confetti. As is tradition.
As is tradition. You kind of look like Billy Idol. Look, you know, but okay. So I think we should do this one last. It's a wrap. It kind of feels like a mug. I'm feeling a handle on it. So.
You said Billy Idol.
Oh my goodness! Is this?
What?
This is not a.
It's a Ufuffy.
It's a Ufuffy. I've never heard of the Ufuffies, but apparently it's a thing. But it's like a stuffed animal, and I think
is that Mrs. Potts?
Or is it's Lumiere?
Is it Lumiere? It's Lumiere.
I think so. Let me see if I can get it to where it's.
I think it is because it looks like he's got a little.
He's got a little flame up here, and and he's doing like that. You know, like he's bringing his little arm in. Oh my God, that's adorable. Josie's gonna love that.
Josie will love that.
But he's got a little skirt around here, and let's see. I smell like a rose.
Maybe the.
Oh, he does, like right there. Smell right there. There's a little rose scent to it.
Yeah, there is a little bit of a rose scent.
That is awesome. Oh my gosh. So let's see if I can find a
Ufuffy. I don't know what.
I don't know. I guess it's a new thing.
Maybe a new plushie thing that they're doing.
Yeah. Let's see if
it's on the back of this. All the way back.
Originally created by Disney Store Japan.
Oh.
So it's Disney Store Japan. Let's see. Doesn't really. I can't read that. That's too small. But let's.
There's no price point.
There's no price point on it, but it does say Disney Parks, so it's in the park somewhere. Probably. I would imagine Shanghai.
Probably find it on the mobile app.
Yeah. So.
A Ufuffy.
It's a Ufuffy.
It's UFY. Ufuffy.
Okay, I see something Josie's really gonna like, and she does not have this one yet.
Uh-oh.
She collects Tsum Tsums.
Tsum Tsums.
Zerg!
Zerg.
She loves Zerg.
In fact, one of her things that she wants to do with her allowance money is she wants to buy a Jessie and a Zerg and a Woody
to go
with her Buzz Lightyear.
To go with her Buzz Lightyear that she bought this last trip. So November, that's what she's wanting to buy. So. Yeah, it's
also
an Emperor. It's
from Japan.
It's an
Emperor Zerg.
It's an Emperor Zerg. There's no price point on it, but usually these in the parks are like what $5.99 or so.
Something like that.
So,
sweet. Zerg it is.
So she's gonna love that. Okay, so it looks like we got a Mickey's Magical Mystery Pen Series 7. So
we get to open it and see what's inside.
So we get to unbag.
What's in the bag?
What's in the bag? We get to unbag what's in the box.
What's in the bag?
I don't know if I can get this. This is tough paper. Not yet.
I know, but I see what it is, and you're gonna lose your mind.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am. I can't open this.
Here.
I can't open this. So.
She's challenged.
I've got these tiny hands.
Wow.
I got these tiny fingers.
You went there, didn't you?
I did. So what? So Daddy, what's in the bag? Oh,
Speaking of Zerg.
Speaking of Zerg.
It's a Buzz Lightyear pen to infinity and beyond.
Okay, back it up and kind of tilt it. There you go.
There you go.
He kind of looks like if Cogsworth were dressed as Buzz Lightyear. He's got that round face. That is adorable.
He looks like an egg.
Yeah, he does.
He looks, but it's Buzz Lightyear.
Hey,
and this little pin.
He's totes adorbs. Oh Lord, I've been watching that Barbie Life in the Dream House too much. But is there a price point on this? Yep. Each bag is $6.99
for the mystery bag.
And oh my
Yeah,
goodness.
this
Oh.
mommy's gonna lose it right here. Yeah. It is a Rex glow-in-the-dark puzzle 1,000 piece. So it is a Toy Story. It looks like the Halloween theme. Glow-in-the-dark.
We got a pin to
Puzzle.
match it. Remember? A couple of months ago,
Did we?
I think we still got it up here. Yes, we do. Because remember, we got this in one of the boxes
we did.
too.
You're right.
So now, and I'm like a puzzle fiend.
Yes, you know what? So is Josie.
So is Josie.
This is a 1,000-piece puzzle. This might be a little bit advanced for her.
Yeah. So what?
For now, anyway, she figures them out.
So
quick.
what we may do is we may get like a frame, and I can
Put it together
put it together and
put it in the frame.
put it in the frame.
What's in the frame?
The price point on this is $21.99.
$21.99.
$21.99. I'm loving it.
That's awesome.
Okay, let's make sure. Don't
We don't
anything
want to lose anything this time.
Okay, I think we're good.
All right,
so
let's find out what's in the wrap here.
What's in the wrap?
It's a thing now. Sorry, big sisters.
You started.
Oh look.
No.
Bubble wrap.
Please don't wake her up with that, please. Stop.
I can't help it.
Stop it.
If I have bubble wrap within arm's reach, I'm gonna pop the bubbles.
Stop it. I want some later. Stop. Oh, it's like right up in
Popping the bubbles.
It's no fun if you like do it all at the same time.
Oh, it's lots of fun.
No, you're supposed to do it's to relieve stress. You do it one at a time. Stop. Yo. All right, I'm almost finished unwrapping.
On the
Please.
bubble wrap.
Let it go.
Mine.
Let it go, Elsa. Give it here.
Just mine.
You're making me mad.
I'm making her mad with the bubble wrap.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so we do have a mug, and it looks like it's from World Showcase. It's
awesome.
It's a Germany mug.
Sweet.
Oh my goodness, that is awesome. So it looks like you got stop.
I can't help it. I gotta pop them.
Seriously, stop. Seriously, let's concentrate on the mug. Stop. This says Morgan Epcot World Showcase on the back.
That's a sweet mug.
That's a very sweet mug. The retail on this, irony of all ironies, is made in China.
Germany mug made in China.
Germany mug made in China. The price point on
I guess
this
they
is
came in before the tariffs.
Yes. Wow.
Sorry.
$13.99. $13.99 for this. So let's show. Please hand it to me.
No.
We need to review what we got.
Okay.
Stop! You are so being a child right now. Stop it!
Yes, I am. Mine.
Stop it! Seriously, stop. Let's review.
Hey, it makes for good YouTube if nothing else.
Source and Josie sometimes last year. So let's review what we've got. So we got the Germany mug, $13.99. I swear to God, stop. Stop!
I can't help it.
We got the Rex glow-in-the-dark puzzle. Cover my eyes. Stop it. Seriously, stop.
I'm gonna be in trouble.
You are. And the retail was $21.99. Stop it!
$21.99.
Stop. Seriously. We got the Magic Mystery Pin Series 7 bag that is $16.99, and out of that,
Well, it's $6.99, not $16.
$6.99. Because you won't pay. Because you won't behave. Stop. We got the Buzz Lightyear pin.
I love you.
Stop. We got the Emperor Zurg Tsum Tsum, which I think was $5.99 a piece. And we got this
Fuffy.
Ooffuffy or Ooffuffy
Fuffy
of Lumiere. Oh, I smell. Oh, okay. Okay, like if you're squeezing, you can really smell like a rose scent. Oh my god, that is awesome.
And we got the bubble wrap.
Give it here. Give it here. Just give it here. Just for a second. Just for a second. Just for a second.
I think I already popped all those.
No, you didn't. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. Okay, alright. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Just, we gotta sign off.
Okay.
Let go. Stop. So anyway, so that is it for this month's Mickey's Mystery Box. Thanks for the bubble wrap and these awesome items, Mickey's Mystery Box. Thank you so. Okay, that's enough. So, and yes, Big Sis Lisa, he's in trouble. Yes. So with that, remember we have our trip vlogs every Wednesday.
Yep.
We're still in May 2017. I may have found a solution, not for the corrupted disc that I have for the November trip, but maybe for the other two.
We have a bunch of pictures.
No, well, not just the pictures, but I downloaded an app to help me. I would have to turn the camera on Wi-Fi because we have a G7X.
That's fine.
And it may be I may be able to transfer those pictures to the phone, which in turn would put them on the iCloud.
And then you can retrieve the videos.
And I can retrieve the video. We're gonna try it.
Okay, so that's
we're gonna try it as soon as I get a chance. Whenever that is, you
all right, well,
make your best guess.
Fingers crossed that works.
Yeah. So, but yeah. So we got those coming out, and we got a special announcement, but we're gonna keep that to ourselves. But something that Josie doesn't know. Stop. Something Josie doesn't know. We're gonna have special guests this weekend.
Don't know if we're gonna be able to do a live stream or not.
Don't
know if we're gonna be able to video any of it, but we
Yeah.
may get some pictures and we'll share maybe.
We got some.
We have some guests that are inbound this weekend.
And if you are if you're familiar with the Disney vlogger community, you probably
know who they
are. And I will leave you with that. But we also have a big announcement. We're gonna wait until we can do a live stream before we announce.
How's that for a teaser?
Stay tuned. Okay. All right. So that's
more fun than it should be.
It really is. So for Josie,
Gooch,
I'm Sherry, and we are the Disney Beans. And as we always like to end our videos with, come here. You totally ruined that. As we always like to end our videos with. So
at least we're not doing Baby Shark.
No, she does that all the time.
I know.
Baby Shark,
Baby Shark. No, I'm not. I am not putting on a shark head and dancing to that song. Sorry. Not happening.
If Josie asks him to,
I'll say no, baby girl. I'm not a shark.
we'll see about that. Okay. Anyway, so as we actually like to end our videos with, please stop. How do we end?
Love. Peace. Rock. And a little bit of bubble wrap. Pixie dust.
It's late, guys. We gotta go to bed. Mwah.
See ya.
Bye, guys. We'll see you real soon.